Hello, my name is Robert Senzon and I'm one of the product managers here at LS Tractor. And today I wanted to take some time to introduce you to one of the new features that we're launching with our new MT4 with Power Shuttle, that is the Easy Brake feature. The Easy Brake feature allows you to stop and restart your tractor by only using the brake pedal without the need to use the clutch. Next, we're going to show you side by side how this Easy Brake feature works and show you also how it is to do the same operation without the Easy Brake function activated. All right, so to activate your Easy Brake function, first you want to make sure that your pedals are linked, and you can see that ours are here. Then you're going to want to find this symbol, which is the Easy Brake symbol, and press this button. Once you do that, you can see confirmation on the screen that the brake clutch link function is activated. Once you can see that, you're good to go. The goal behind the Easy Brake was to simplify tasks and improve work efficiency by reducing the use of the clutch, especially in repetitive movements like you would see in hay baling applications or front-end loader work. Thank you for watching our video, and we hope to see you using your new MT4 with Easy Brake function soon.